Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome. If it's your first time, we're gonna do a general reading. We have a lot of things going on. After this, I'm gonna do a live reading, so just be aware of that. And to contribution, whatever you want, is the Ten of Pentacles. I'm sure I'm gonna write the instructions down, but just have that in mind. That's what one of the new things that is going on. So I just want to let you be aware of the things. I'm gonna try to write it down in the bulletin board. So yes, let's do. What's going on? Just a general reading for the whole collective. I don't know if today, if I'm gonna do all those short readings. I might. So, but go check the ones that I posted. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload. May God protect me and fight my battles. Anyone that sins against me should not prosper. Sun, moon, and rising spirit, what we have for my collective at this time. Come through. Oh, I didn't even notice that my candles are all out now. They've been on, but hey, of course, they're not gonna last forever, right? All right. See somebody coming fast to deliver news. It's like communication, right? Coming through. Be patient because these cards are written in a different language. Maybe because I'm intuitive reader and I know my text. I mean, I know the meanings of it. So, but sometimes, but still. Okay. Oh, celebration. 1111, and those numbers showing up here. So some sort of truth is coming in. Yeah. Let's see. What we have. Okay. Yep. Clarity. Oh, and you stand on it. Like you demand the truth. You're taking out the truth, right? Right. Walking away. The Five of Swords. It's conflicts here. So you're walking away from conflict, something that didn't serve you, right? Or else you were going to be dried up, like on a desert. Yeah. Ooh. All right. The King of Swords. That's my court card of cups too. All right. You might want to check the reading that I just finished doing for the water sign. So you were cold, left for dead. You're coming out of that with the Ten of Swords. It's too soon for me to say that there's something beyond backstabbing to keep you stuck. That's what is coming through. All right? Some rituals. People do that to try to keep someone stuck and not move on, right? Your strength, you in your full strength. Yeah, demanding the truth. You're working. You are work, planning out. And I see you doing your Whatever you do, that you do it really good, craft work or the type of work that you do, you're doing it by yourself. You might be keeping it in the hush-hush, right? Yeah. With the Seven of Cups. I see some money here, even though like you could have been like before, like no sleep, wasting time. Yeah. Seven of Cups. You could have been in an illusion, right? In a toxic relationship, but now you're not. Things are clearing up. You made a choice. Yeah. And you standing on that with the Four of Pentacles. And that's why things are working out here. And you're moving on to calmer water. It's the offer coming in. It's guided, protected. You are very spiritual, guided, protected here. You have the keys, the answer, and the truth with the Queen of Swords here. Look at this. This key is going to be handed to you. Wow. Okay. The spirit really strong here. Okay. The Seven of Swords. Your strength. This happened in your other past life. It could be a parent figure here with a child, right? You're standing by this person's life. Calm of water. I don't know. What's this? Right here. Like a proposer. Someone is giving a ring to someone. Sorry about that. Yeah. But someone is like sneaky here with the Seven of Swords. Something wanted to keep someone in an illusion. Be careful and take this opportunity of work. This proposal on the table. Yeah, like with an ending. That's the truth. Yeah, it could have been conflict. Yeah, you guarding yourself. And you know this, the High Priest. I didn't mean to do it that long, but I guess so. I'm going to do my readings shorter from now on, right? Maybe and not in life. When I come out in life, maybe it will be longer. Just to spoil all of you. I'm going to be able to see what you're telling me and everything. Never mind, I just was seeing something in the screen that they sent me. So if you see me like this, you know, like... Yes, I'm telling you, this man is coming in to talk about love, though. Nice. This person could have left you in the past. They're thinking of you. Yeah, this could be family too. It's a fire sign here at the table. He's delivering some news. This person could have been in and out. I'm telling you, they were trying to work on you. The Magician. This is a past lover thinking of you. Two more, Spirit. Thank you. You're leaving to come on water, you're leaving this behind, right? This is like a fresh start. This is someone coming in. It could be the old person putting her listening, or someone from your past, or some new. Has a lot of passion for you, right? Yeah, because something was like dry already. Nothing in that place. It's time for you to just pick up and leave, you know. Just, you know, go to a better thing that serves you. Too much conflict. You have to like guard yourself. That's the truth. You ended this with an end here. If it was engagement, it could have been some type of engagement. Doesn't have to be a marriage engagement, right? I'm telling you, this person has a lot of passion for you. Or something's like, yeah, I see him at your door. But you're gonna meet this person where you leave. One of them. Ah, yeah. Yeah, this person has, this is Scorpio here. A lot of nostalgia. Or the Five of Cups. That's regretting what happened. But it's more. It's more in front of you, you know? Now you can see it clearly. It's coming. You're loving yourself. Yes. Right here, ancestor protection. With the Ten of Cups, family emotions. You could be Scorpio with the Queen of Cups here. It used to bring you a lot of burnings in your life, and it was toxic. Look at it here with the Devil. Now it's good. You might be dealing with a Capricorn too at work. This person could be Capricorn. Yeah, you go to work here in a car or any kind of, you know, transportation, any kind of vehicles or anything, or back and forth, right? Comment, give it a like. Doesn't cost you anything. Let me know they resonated with you. If you bump into this reading, it's not a coincidence. It's something that you need to know. Yes, look at this. It's coming in, this offer. It's not much, but it is coming in. Maybe you're not expecting it. On a page. Person is young. They want to offer you something. Could be anything. Victory. You come out with victory here, and we're stringing the truth. Beautiful. What the heck? But I heard something. It's at work again. What the? So you're working in solo. Leaving this behind. You have a lot of passion of what you're working at. It's going to be very good. You have talent. And it's a victory at this work. Something that you do very well with your hands, and you're moving on. Chariot, you are like, you know already your destination, where you're going. You have angel protection here too, where you're going. You spoke out. Then you spoke of some type of truth, and it came to a fruition. And look at the angel right there. I'm telling you, you're dropping this that doesn't serve you, this burning of this work. They would have maybe overworking you, and that you was not getting paid what you deserve, right? Something's coming in. Look at the angel right here, a protection. You're putting a balance here. Temperance. And it's a victory with that balance. And spiritual too. This person, you're gonna have someone, some type of help, doctor or anything, very pure, very clean, very stirred. This person is like, you see, he's like unstoppable. It's a partnership that you're gonna have. This person's gonna transform you, help you to transform, to move on where you belong. Yeah, it could be a doctor here involved. But some type of truth is like clear. This work is very balanced out for you. Ancestors you have here, and the angels in protection and victory. Moving on. Dropping what doesn't serve you. Wow. Going ahead. This broken heart is behind. This slow movement of money is history. Look at it right here with the fast coming in. Look at this man with money, and the wheel of fortune is turning in your side. A lot of love coming from above. A child, the doors are opening up. When you make this move right here to leave those things behind, look at it again here. It's like a confirmation, right? Because it's a competition at work. Because you manifest and you make things happen. You're a star, baby. You might be working with a Capricorn by your side. All right? He really likes you. This happened in your other life? Scorpio, this is you. Oh no. Who's calling me now? I hope the call doesn't... Let me just end it. Because then my recording just ends. I was waiting like for 3 hours for that call and nothing. I hate that. And now that I'm busy, but I am. But anyway, that's a call from work. Actually, that could be just for you. That's like a confirmation. Not, oh wow, I'm gonna end it anyway. But I'm gonna end this reading fast right now. 2 more spirits so I can end this thing. That's how they're gonna call you. From work, really fast. 2 more so I can end this. I gotta get that call, okay? Look how fast it's coming in. Fiery. Really.